Hi guys, welcome to James Locks and Braid, home of locks and braid and beauty. Today I'll be working on the client hair, installing a lock extension. This is the hair I'll be working with. Is very short hair. This hair extension I got from AliExpress, 10 inches 2-pack, and I crochet it, I turn it into locks. Yeah, it's natural hair. They sell online. It's also on Amazon. So all I'm going to do now, section the hair section by section, then go straight to business. I'm sorry today I may not talk too much because I'm a little bit down, so I hope you understand and enjoy the video. So what I'm going to do right now is to wrap the lock extension around the hair. On different cases I do wrap the hair around the extension, but this hair is too short. It's very slippery because it's oily, and also I don't know how to explain it. It just keep pulling out and it's a little bit difficult to work with. So you just pull in, you crochet in and out, in and out, in and out, and use your thumb to roll it. Yeah, you have to use your thumb to roll it so that you can the pin will be able to go to another direction instead of working in one particular direction. That will make the hair not to be tight. But when you use your palm to roll and crochet, palm roll and continue, this secure the hair inside. It blends together, it meets everything, go meets and blend well. And you just do that until it's stiff, until you feel, yeah, this is tight enough and it's okay. You can tell where the extension is or the hair. This extension you can actually color it the way you want. You can dial it because it's natural hair. And I'm also going to another thing we are going to do to finish it is the palm roll. When you crochet, you thumb roll. When you thumb roll at the finishing, you palm roll to secure the excessive hair left. Oh guys, my throat ache. Yeah, just can see it just like this, and it's finished. That's it. So guys, I'll leave you here to enjoy the rest of the video. What a cool sound. Okay, stay tuned.
goes on and on and on and on and on. You can take your pants off, and I get down now. You can make me have some. Pull her rack out, say it's just a rap song. Put her ass out, she can smoke a fat blunt. I like this song, I don't fuck with that one. I'm on acid, why you think I laugh from? 3 a.m. It goes on and on and on and on and on. We can make it last long. I can knock her, she know how to talk good. Waste time, maybe we could waste time. 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 Waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Now she found me in the wrong. Thanks to me raw. Baby, come and sit your ass down now. Come get down, go raw. Baby, you're a god. Baby, we could dance off alone in the house song, moonlight song. Make us both sad now. It goes on and on and on and on and on. You can take your pants off, and I get down now. You can make me have some. Pull her rack out, say it's just a rap song. Put her ass out, she can smoke a fat blunt. I like this song, I don't fuck with that one. I'm on acid, why you think I laugh from? 3 a.m. It goes on and on and on and on and on. We can make it last long. I can knock her, she know how to talk good. Waste time, maybe we could waste time. 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 Waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Now she found me in the wrong. Thanks to me raw. Baby, come and sit your ass down now. Come get down, go raw. Baby, you're a god. Baby, we could dance off alone in the house song, moonlight song. Make us both sad now. It goes on and on and on and on and on. You can take your pants off, and I get down now. You can make me have some. Pull her rack out, say it's just a rap song. Put her ass out, she can smoke a fat blunt. I like this song, I don't fuck with that one. I'm on acid, why you think I laugh from? 3 a.m. It goes on and on and on and on and on. We can make it last long. I can knock her, she know how to talk good. Waste time, maybe we could waste time. 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 Waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Now she found me in the wrong. Thanks to me raw. Baby, come and sit your ass down now. Come get down, go raw. Baby, you're a god. Baby, we could dance off alone in the house song, moonlight song. Make us both sad now. It goes on and on and on and on and on. You can take your pants off, and I get down now. You can make me have some. Pull her rack out, say it's just a rap song. Put her ass out, she can smoke a fat blunt. I like this song, I don't fuck with that one. I'm on acid, why you think I laugh from? 3 a.m. It goes on and on and on and on and on. We can make it last long. I can knock her, goes on and on and on and on and on. You can take your pants off, I get down now. You can make me have some. Pull her rack out, say it's just a rap song. Put her ass out, she can smoke a fat blunt. I like this song, I don't fuck with that one. I'm on acid, why you think I laugh from? 3 a.m. It goes on and on and on and on and on. We can make it last long. I can knock her, she know how to talk good. Waste time, maybe we could waste time. 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 Waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Now she found me in the wrong, thanks to me raw. Baby, come and sit your ass down now. Come get down, go raw. Baby, you're a god. Baby, we could dance off alone in the house song, moonlight song. Make us both sad now. It goes on and on and on and on and on. You can take your pants off, I get down now. You can make me have some. Pull her rack out, say it's just a rap song. Put her ass out, she can smoke a fat blunt. I like this song, I don't fuck with that one. I'm on acid, why you think I laugh from? 3 a.m. It goes on and on and on and on and on. We can make it last long. I can knock her, she know how to talk good. Waste time, maybe we could waste time. 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 Waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Now she found me in the wrong, thanks to me raw. Baby, come and sit your ass down now. Come get down, go raw. Baby, you're a god. Baby, we could dance off alone in the house song, moonlight song. Make us both sad now. It goes on.